Hey you guys, first I want to apologize for the air conditioner that you guys probably hear. It's really hot, humid, and I believe today is the first day of summer. So happy summer, everybody. Like, woo! Y'all know I hate summer. I hate all of this. I hate everything about summer, bugs and all that. But one thing that I do not hate is my bag that I'm about to share with you. Now, this company, well, before I get into that, I'm going to tell you the reason why I got this particular bag, and it's mainly because of my hair. This happens to be one of my favorite wigs, and it's one of my favorite wigs because it's the color. The color is blue and purple, but yeah, this wig gets so many compliments when I wear it. It's crazy. Everyone loves this wig, men, women. And it's the color. I know it's the color. It's not so much the wig. It's definitely the color because it's a striking color. So enough about that. And if you guys want to know like an update on this hair and how it's doing, just let me know and I'll drop that video for you guys. So let's talk about TeddyBlake, you guys. TeddyBlake is the company that sent me this bag, and I am not unfamiliar with TeddyBlake. I used to work with them before, and I do have a gray bag that I absolutely love. I really do love that bag as well. But this one, honey, this one is just screaming Donna. It's just perfect for me. It's the perfect size. It's the perfect color. So enough about that. I'm just going to show it to you. Yes, this is the 9-inch Cara bag, you guys, and as you can see, it says TeddyBlake New York on it. TeddyBlake is based out of New York, so I did receive my package in about 2 days because you guys know I'm from New York. I actually live in Staten Island, so it was nothing for me to get my package really quick. So I'm going to talk about the bag, but I also wanted to talk about the customer service, which is amazing. They really do have really good customer service, you guys. They get back to you. They have no issue. Like, I have no issues with this luxury bag. Like, this is a dope bag. And I know you girls are going to go and click on the link down below to see how much this bag was or is, and you're gonna be like, oh no, that's a little too much. But let me let you guys know, they do have payment options. It's called quad pay, and I didn't even know that. Upon doing this review, I did not know that. I didn't know until I went into the site and I was picking out my bag, and I was like, oh wow, they got payment options. So I will be taking advantage of that in the very near future because I really love the quality of my bag. Before I show you the things that came with my bag, I also wanted to let you guys know that you don't have to get this particular set. This bag actually comes by itself. Now I'm going to show you what mine's, well, the particular set that I picked out that I absolutely love. It just sang to me, y'all. It came with a, sorry, that's my dog. It came with a card holder. As you can see, there is my debit card there, and on the other side is my Metro card, and then in the middle of this it has just like another little envelope compartment that I just put loose change in. And again, on here it does say TeddyBlake New York, and I love it. I actually take this out with me more because, you know, if I'm jumping in a car or in a lift or in a bus or whatever the case may be, all I need to do is grab this and I'm good because it has everything I need in here. So that's that. And it also came with another wallet, which I have yet to use, you guys. I didn't use this one yet, only because like this is just perfect for me to just go, but I haven't used this yet, and I want to get like a little wristlet to go on here. I'll probably order one from Amazon or so. Hopefully I can find one that is the same color as this one, and I could just rock it like that. That way I could put my phone in here, and this card wallet as well will fit in here, so I will just need this. But anyway, let's talk about the star of the show. Okay, so this is the bag. This is the bag. Isn't it cute, you guys? Like, look at that. It's so freaking cute. It's so cute. It's so small and it's just so perfect. It's so perfect for me. I don't really like carrying stuff, so this is absolutely perfect. Like, look at that. The handles are perfect. It's small and it's big at the same time because you can fit a lot of stuff in there, you guys. You can fit so much. Don't mind the stains in the bag. I just saw that my lipstick that was in here just opened up and I was like, really? I've had this bag for about a month, so yeah. Anyway, it has 2 compartments. One, as you can see, that has a zipper on it, and on the other side it just has another, just an open envelope type of compartment, and all I did is put some money in there. This is where I carry my cash, and this is the bag itself. Now the bag does have options. You can either carry it here with, you know, by the handle, or they do provide a nice little strap. You guys can hook it up if you want. If you don't want to carry it, you know, in your hands, you can definitely put it on your shoulders and you're good to go. So I thought that was really, really nice. I was very pleasantly surprised by the quality of this bag, because the other bag that I have is really nice, but it's not like this one. This one is really dope. And again, you guys, I know you're gonna say, like, it's gonna break my pockets, but it's not. If you choose the quad pay option, you can pay with your debit card, and yeah, just check it out, you guys, trust me. And if you missed the sale, oh, right now they have a sale. They're having a sale. Hopefully you guys, I get this video up and out so you guys can check out the sale. But if you missed the sale, there's a coupon code down below in the description box that you can use to get $20 off of your purchase, honey. Yes, use that coupon code. Just click on the link. So I don't know if I'm showing you guys the packaging, but yeah, this is the dust bag. The bag also came with, it's a little wrinkle because I just threw it to the side because I really don't use it, but really nice to have for those that want to protect their bags from like their freaking animals or something, because I know Bella gets hold of something and she likes to go to town. So I think I might just use this just to be on the safe side, because I don't want her messing up my beautiful bag. So yeah, it does come with a nice little duster bag. So you guys, if you're interested in this bag or any of the other beautiful bags that they have on their site, check down below, TeddyBlake.com. They are based out in New York again, and I absolutely love them. I love everything about this company. Hopefully you guys, I could purchase one for myself, and it's gonna be like a dope vibrant color. I saw yellow, orange. Maybe I'll show you guys in the background the website. You can see all of the different options that they have for this bag. This is a genuine Italian leather bag, and I love it. I'm gonna put all my stuff back in it because I emptied it out just to show you guys, but I'm about to fill this right back up with all my candies and my lotions and all of that stuff that was in here that's right in my face. And I will talk to you all later. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. One thing, y'all, hit that notification bell. And I'm hearing that you have to hit the notification bell twice, because if you hit it once, they're saying that you're gonna get some notifications, but if you hit it twice and you see like those little quotes around it, you'll receive all notifications about my videos. I didn't know that. I was watching Yanni Rose's video and she said that in her video, and I was like, what? I think she took it down, but yeah. So if you guys are wondering where's all my videos, that's why. I'm still here. I'm still making videos. I still got tons of stuff for you guys to watch that you probably missed. And yeah, check it out, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.